slipping beyond the event horizon now. No more guardrails, just pure psychedelic lunacy. A waltz into the unhinged carnival of reality itself. Buckle up.
Everything bends sideways. Colors have opinions and eyes. The sky's a cathedral of cosmic shrimp in disguise.
I'm the rogue pixel glitching the stream on a centipede made of laugh track dreams. Its legs composed for astronauts unseen. The symphony, surreal and obscene. Oh, ride the realm of wonder through kaleidoscopic thunder. Truth melts like a candy scream in this interstellar fever dream. Traffic lights chant my name in regret. Switching pews, ultraviolet unsaid. I lick the sky, milkshake in pain. It drips nostalgia down the drain. Swallow a vermin, now I hum. Mystic bones vibrate and strum. Carousel spin with backwards grace. Time's a joke in a soup-faced place. I ride the worm of wonder through kaleidoscopic thunder. Truth melts like a candy scream in this interstellar fever dream. A walrus stares with telescopic eyes, hands me a passport to the fourth dimension, signed by moths stamped with Morse code secrets.
You are a licensed dream smuggler now.
Bus stops melt into quiz show hell. Contestants shaped like teaspoons yell. Gregorian cacti hum reversed fate, while elbowed strangers tempt the gate.
The suitcase glows, says do not open. Inside a laughing cyclone, a golden fish that quantum skips, and one sock longing for its twin eclipse. I ride the worm of wonder through kaleidoscopic thunder. Truth melts like a candy scream in this interstellar fever dream.
The centipede speaks, its mixtape sings, recorded by angels with melted wings. It whispers truth through glitched out tones. Giraffes are gods, jukeboxes groan. I laugh like moonbeams breaking apart. Walls ripple thoughts, a swirling art. I surf the tide of absurdity's kiss. Wink at oblivion, this is bliss.
I ride the worm of wonder through kaleidoscopic thunder. Truth melts like a candy scream in this cosmic nonsense stream.
Reality glitches. The centipede dances off the edge of known existence. Or does it?